No, yeah. I wanna see you at your worst. Cause when you at your best, man, I know that shit hurt. Extra big heart, you always put your friends first. And you always keep it humble, even though you know your worth.
Alright, y'all. Just got done getting my hair done. About to go out and grab some of my packages from my packing video. First. What's up? Don't mind my blue on me. Do not mind it, but in today's video we will be opening some packages. Like as a hairstylist. I hope you guys enjoy. And y'all can open some packages with me. I'm crazy, y'all. I was running around all day long, so don't mind me. But we about to go ahead and get right into this video. Make sure you guys give me a thumbs up. You guys can subscribe, leave a comment down below. And here we go. First we're gonna do my hair store. Right. And I got a bunch of bottles of Sea Breeze. So I'm gonna clean my client's hair up. And then we got some scissors. We got some mega wrap strips. There you go. Those right there. Got some more clips. My good luck. And now I'm on my Amazon packages. Look, the bags before was like what I get from the beauty supply store. And I got these. If y'all don't got these are gauze wipes. But I use them because they're lint free. And you don't have to keep using like rags or like paper towels when you clean off your client's forehead before you lay your lace. So that's what these are. I got 2 of them. 200 come in a pack. So we have 4. It comes in very handy. Like that. Break this box down. This is gonna be like a real short video, but content is content. Oh man, it's gone. If you guys ever like, and y'all live in like a complex building or anything, just cut that bad boy off and rip that bad boy out. Alright, let's see. We got 6 from Amazon. This is what you use when you tie your client's hair down to get a better melt. We got some eyebrow waxing sticks. And those not even, those don't got nothing to do with hair at all. It's so heavy. Like, look. We got the Got To Be glue gel. We're those little baby hairs. Flick them back. Popsicle sticks. And guess how much came in here? 1,000. And this stuff is off Amazon. You save more money on Amazon, and you can get like more stuff in bulk. So I got 1,000 of these. I'm not gonna have to go shopping again for a long time. Probably for like 2 months with like this stuff, 3 months with these, 2 months with the wrap strips, probably 2 months with that too. But that is all. And this is this. And I'll leave everything in the link below for you guys. But that's that. And then you have that. I'm not even done because I ordered these too. Oh yeah, these, my bleach cloths. Let me finish showing y'all everything from my Amazon. These, and I use this like when I do like curls, or even to, you know how some people spray straight request on the hairline before they put their melt belt on. This is very good too. This is the Chi Keratin Flex Finish Hairspray. It just takes a little bit longer to dry under the dryer. And then we got our Got To Be Free Spray. Well, Flex Insta Hold. And I use this to spray, like, you know when you like molding your cap down, this is what I use that for. And I originally bought 3, but I needed 2 because I had ran out. This at a shoe store I used to work at. Alright guys, these that is it. Okay, I'm gonna go to our package room. Ah, that's so cute. I know y'all probably looking like this girl got braids, a wig, braids again, but I had to record my intro with my braids because that was fresh and that was new. And the video with my wig, it was just a separate video I had to insert. So yeah, you guys can just go ahead and keep watching. We are here. So let's see. Not right. Okay, I had Erica J. This. And have one more box game. Delivery. See you guys in the unpackaging part. And we got more packages. I had to do a voiceover in this part because I had company in this clip. A lot going on this day. But, yep, we got our good packages and we're gonna go ahead and open them. This is my shit right here, y'all. This is my shit. This is my Hold Me Down adhesive. And the scent Watermelon by Erica J. If y'all don't got none, make sure y'all go order some. It's the best stuff on the market right now. I don't care what you say, she say, he say, they say. And I believe these are my wax sticks, if I'm not mistaken. Y'all, wax sticks. Who are these from? Oh, the She's Bomb collection. I like her wax sticks and her edge control. Definitely bomb, like she said. And this does end the video. Thank you guys for watching. I'm gonna go ahead and show y'all my hair at the end of this video. I was so in love with it. I love some of my edges from my wigs, but mind your business. Mind it, same. But yes, I love my braids. And make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. And thank you guys for watching.